Hi, everyone. Today's upgrade is a Wrangler car. This is its original car control. This is the disassembly tool. Everyone according to the needs to prepare. First, we remove the middle window control panel. Then we remove a large panel from the center. Now unscrew these two screws, remove the original car screen, and unplug all the plugs on the back. Remove the 3 original car vents from this bit panel. Now install the new instrument panel and the original car vent. Then attach the top storage box panel. OK, now let's connect the wires for the new screen. Connect GPS antenna. Connect the USB cable. Connect the CAN cable. Connect the RCA cable. Connect the communication plug on the power cord. Connect the Canbus box to the black power source. Now connect the new power supply to the original car plug. OK, install the screen. Put the window control button on. Finally, install the 2 air vents. Having successfully installed, let's debug some protocols first. This is the latest version of Android. Support music playback. You can control the volume with the steering wheel. You can enjoy movies on the big screen. You can listen to your favorite radio channel. Support map navigation. A variety of things to choose from. Bluetooth calls can be made directly from the screen. Support wireless Carplay. You can use voice assistant, make phone calls, listen to songs, use map navigation, etc. Features are very rich. Support dial reminder. Support for sound adjustment.